This is a Samsung Combi oven, load cell controller. There's quite common failure on these ovens. It gives you an error of E32, and once it gives that error, you can't do anything with the oven. You can't use the microwave, you can't use the grill, you can't do anything. I don't use this because this is used for the auto defrost and other features which I've never used in mine. So what I've done, I've replaced, this is the third time I've replaced it. So I've come up with a little hack to bypass this and get the oven working again without giving an error of E32. So what I've done, there's three, well, you have to remove this first. It's quite a process. You've got to take the main cover off, and then the bottom cover, then you unscrew the plate that holds this in. And once you've done that, you have to unclip this. There's a little plate that goes on here which fits in here, so don't lose any of these parts. So what I did is I soldered a wire from the 5 volts to the signal out, which is the center one. If you look on the inside, you might be able to see it. It has ground, V, and 5 volts. So I just soldered a piece of wire between the two and bridged it out. So what in theory this is doing is it's taking the signal that's supposed to come from this cell to the PCB. But it's doing that, but I don't know if the actual pin on the plate or the rotator isn't pushing down on this hard enough anymore, or if the metal piece is bent. I've tried bending it back, but it doesn't seem to make a difference. So I've just bridged out these two here. You can probably put a bit of solder in between here. So all it does is it bypasses this and sends a 5 volt signal back to the PCB. Tells it that it's okay, but I doubted you'll be able to use any of the scale functions on the oven itself. I don't use it, so to me it doesn't matter. So this is just a little hack if you don't want to spend 1,700, 1,900 Rand on a new load cell sensor from Samsung. Okay, I hope that helps a little bit. Cheers.